Hi everyone, I thought I'd come on today to just do a really quick video on a recent purchase that I made. So this is the Coach Rogue charm and it just came out. I just purchased it, I think it arrived around a week ago, and I just haven't had time to make a video of it at all, but the second I saw this kind of floating around online, I knew I wanted to pick this up. On the Canadian website, it's $175, but I did manage to get a 10% cashback off of Rakuten. And so here it is. It's so cute. And I actually have the Rogue 25 in black. And so I just thought this was adorable. I don't plan to actually use this as a bag charm. I'm actually planning to just put this on my shelf as decoration. And so for these, for the keychain part, I actually plan to remove this and just have the little tag here attached to the ring there. But as you can see, if you do plan to use this as a mini bag, there's also someone who's shown how to make this into a micro bag. If that's what you want to do, you definitely can. It literally functions. It has two open pockets here, and then it does zip open to have pretty roomy compartment here. You definitely can fit some chapstick in there, your AirPods, that sort of thing if you'd like. And of course there's other videos on YouTube and just floating around that shows you exactly kind of the sort of things you can fit in here. So you can definitely use this and it is quite functional, but I definitely, because I am a huge fan of just art and design in general, I think this will be adorable as just a miniature actual leather version of the Rogue. And just a quick comparison, here is the Rogue 25 in black that I have. So of course it literally looks identical, as you can see. It's so cute. The only thing missing, of course, is the straps, or like the attachments for the shoulder straps, but otherwise it's just the exact same, and I think it's just really well done, and I couldn't wait to pick this up. So that's really it. I know it's super quick and it's not really a review or anything. I just wanted to share this. It's still available on the website if you're interested in picking this up. I highly recommend. I think it's just really well done. And I know it's a little bit pricey, but for me, I think it's just more so a novelty item and something I really wanted to have in my collection. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I know I've been kind of lagging in terms of posting videos. If you have any specific videos you want me to do on here, definitely let me know and I will try to do my best to do those. Otherwise, if you like these sort of videos on, you know, handbags, accessories, any kind of luxury or contemporary design or whatever you want to call it, I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe. But other than that, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.